Great morning to everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so today we will learn how to make a badge for Republic Day. Okay, for this material we need tricolor shades, green, saffron and white, one blue sketch pen, one ruler for measurement, one pencil, one scissors, sellotape, one small size of safety pin and Fevicol. Okay. So first of all, we need a paper of 6 centimeter. We need a paper of 6 centimeter. Just take a size and then cut it. After folding this, we have to draw a shape of a heart. Then cut it. See, this is beautiful heart. Similarly, we have to cut the rest of sheets. See, now we have 12 hearts in different colors. After that, we have to make a Ashok Chakra in a small paper, on a small paper. Do you know how many total spokes in Ashok Chakra? There are 24 spokes. The another name of Ashok Chakra is Wheel of Duty. See, our Ashok Chakra is ready. Now, we need a small size of circle. Now, we will paste all the hearts one by one. Put Fevicol on it. We have to paste half of our heart. See how beautiful is this now? Now we have to paste a Ashok Chakra on it. Put little bit Fevicol and just paste here Ashok chakra. See? Now let it dry for 5 minutes. Now take a small strip of paper. Now we have to paste a strip of saffron color and green color. Fold it and just cut. Beautiful ribbon is ready. Now we will paste on the back side. Put a little bit Fevicol. See? Now we can paste another circle. After drying this, we have to paste our safety pin here. See? Put it here. Take a small piece of sellotape. Cut it. See? Our beautiful badge is ready. Now you can put it on your dress on this Republic Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.